There are some crimes which we hear most of the times among politicians, maybe because they affect politicians most of the times and not common citizens. And most of the people do not know what they mean or what qualifies a person to commit such a crime. An example might be mutiny or seditious practices. Have you ever heard a common Zambian being convicted of such a crime apart from politicians and those people that are involved in politics? Let's take a look at seditious practices. A person might ask, what does seditious practices mean and what qualifies a person to commit seditious practices? And for reference, we are looking at the Penal Code Act, Chapter 87 of the Laws of Zambia. Specifically, Chapter 7, Section 60. What is illegal or what are seditious acts? Planning or doing acts to overthrow the government. Spreading hate against the government, different communities, and the justice system. Publishing, sharing, or owning materials that encourage rebellion or division. Advocating for parts of Zambia to break away. So now, what penalties do you face for committing the aforementioned acts? For first-time offenders, up to 7 years in jail, fine, or both. Possessing banned materials, up to 2 years in jail for first-time offenders and 5 years in jail for repeat offenders. So now, someone might ask, what are these banned materials? These banned materials might be pamphlets, books, papers, videos, or messages that the Zambian government has said they are illegal because they spread hate against the government or communities, they promote rebellion against the government, or they encourage the breaking away of a country called Zambia. So then, what are the exceptions or what is allowed, what is legal? Peacefully criticizing the government's mistakes. Suggesting lawful reforms. An example is suggesting changes of laws through legal means. Highlighting issues causing tension between groups as long as it is done to fix them. So then, what are the key rules for prosecution for a person who commits seditious practices acts? It requires the approval of the Director of Public Prosecutions, the DPP. A single witness isn't enough to convict someone. More evidence is actually needed.